Whoa, the cash register. Let's buy some fun prizes. It looks like we have 3 fun prizes we can buy. We have a red balloon, green apple, and a blue ice cream cone. It looks like we have 3 different color coins. We have red coins, green coins, and blue coins. Will you count the coins with me to see how many prizes we can buy? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 coins. All right, let's put them in our cash register. First, let's buy a red balloon. Sweet. Now let's buy a green apple. Let's buy a blue ice cream cone. All right, let's go up here and hit our green button. Awesome. I think we got our prizes. Let's make sure our money made it to the cash register. Oh, there's our coins. 1 red coin, 1 green coin, 1 blue coin. Neat. Now, let's see how many coins we have left. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 coins left. Let's start with buying a green apple. So let's put our green coin right up by our green apple. All right, now let's buy a blue ice cream cone. Let's put our blue coin up our blue ice cream cone. Now let's buy our red balloon. So let's put our red coin up by our red balloon. Perfect. We hit the green button before. Now let's see what happens when we hit the red button. Oh, sweet. Our coins came back. Looks like we got our 1, 2, 3 coins back. So let's buy everything one more time. Red balloon, green apple, and blue ice cream cone. All right. Buy. Let's hit our green button. Awesome. We bought our prizes and our sale's complete. Let's make sure our coins are in our cash register. Awesome, there they are. Our red coin, our green coin, and our blue coin. Great job. I had an awesome time buying these fun prizes with you. Let's cook. Fish. Egg. Hot dog. Spaghetti and meatballs. Watermelon. Pizza. Macaroni and cheese. potatoes. Strawberries. Blueberries. Cheeseburger. Grilled cheese. French fries. Broccoli. Salad. Blueberry pie. I had so much fun cooking all that food with you. Now let's do our dishes. Here's our soap.
All clean, ready to cook tomorrow. If you had fun too, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.